Welcome to the ports and shipping news from Visakhapatnam. Northport receives the largest ever container vessel to berth at its terminal. Northport, Malaysia, BHD, Northport, a member of MMC Group, celebrated a historic milestone as it welcomed MV OOCL Japan on May 20, 2024, the largest ever container vessel to berth at its facilities. Owned by Orient Overseas Container Line, OOCL Limited, MV OOCL Japan boasts a capacity of 21,413 TEUs, setting a new record for Northport by surpassing the previous largest ship to call at its port, Fujian Maersk, which had a capacity of 11,000 TEUs in 2013. SITC signed a strategic cooperation framework agreement with Fujian Port Group. On May 19, 2024, SITC and Fujian Port Group signed a strategic cooperation framework agreement in Jakarta, Indonesia. Chen Zhiping, Party Secretary and Chairman of Fujian Port Group, Chen Jiahui, Deputy Party Secretary, Vice Chairman and General Manager of Xiamen Port Holding Group, Chen Jianzhong, Chairman of Fuzhou Port Group, Shui Mingyuan, CEO of SITC and other leaders attended the signing ceremony. At the meeting, the leaders of the two sides introduced the business and development of their respective enterprises in China and Indonesia. In the future, under the national policy of One Belt and One Road, relying on the port location advantage of Fujian Port Group and the global shipping resource allocation of SITC, taking two countries and two parks as the link, we will jointly promote the construction of sea lanes, create a new business model of modern port and shipping economy, and jointly build a model of port and shipping cooperation to promote the high-quality development of the port and shipping industry. CONSOL Energy coal shipments resume from its marine terminal in Baltimore. CONSOL Energy Incorporated, NYSE, CEIX, reports that coal shipments to international markets began leaving its marine terminal in Baltimore last night. This is after a shutdown of the terminal due to the collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge on March 26. The first empty ship arrived at the CONSOL Marine Terminal early Sunday morning, was loaded throughout that day and awaited clearance from officials for the 7 p.m. departure time Monday night. According to CONSOL Energy CEO Jimmy Brock, while we are still limited in terms of size of ships and nighttime departures, we are hopeful to resume normal operations as soon as possible. We want to thank the leadership and hard work of local, state and federal officials and various agencies for their quick and thoughtful response. The first shipment leaving the marine terminal was approximately 56,000 net tons, compared to traditional shipments of about 140,000 net tons in larger vessels. The channel is now cleared to about 350 feet wide and needs to be about 400 feet wide to accommodate larger vessels. In related news, the MV Dolly, the container ship that collided with the bridge, was refloated and removed Monday. Brock added, the ability to ship product from the Baltimore terminal is critical as we continue our shift to export markets. In the first quarter 2024, 65% of our total recurring revenues and other income were derived from sales into the export market. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.